Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can edit labels you assign to your issues and items on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate your repository on GitHub or directly to the list of issues. And what you want to do after that, guys, is access one of your labeled issues. I will go with this one. Here to the right, click into that gear icon next to labels. And that is going to give you the opportunity to find labels that have already been created under these label suggestions. However, guys, if you don't see the label you would like to assign, in this case here, like a custom label, you may edit these by clicking into this button at the bottom of that drop-down menu. From here, simply go through that list. As you can see, that repository features 9 labels I can assign to my issues. Some of them may mean like something like this. A bug label, for example, indicates that something isn't working within the issue, or for documentation with improvements or additions. So guys, select the label, click into these 3 dots, select edit here. And after that, you may rename it. You may, for example, describe it, choose a different color, and save these changes. And that's it. Return to the list of issues to assign these labels to your repository issues. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.